Time guys, got ready. Now I'm going to a place called Taramani in Chennai. I'll be meeting my friend. From there we'll be going to Mahabalipuram. So I'll just go and fill some fuel in my bike and get started. So right now we have reached Tirupurur on the way to Mahabalipuram. We have finally reached Mahabalipuram. Hi, I'm Ganesh and
Daniel.
Daniel. Hi Daniel, nice meeting you. This is your first time to India?
Yes, this is the first time.
So which places have you visited in India?
Rajasthan, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, also Delhi, Agra, Khajuraho,
Yeah, oh my god, too many places. Okay.
This is the first place in the south.
Yeah, first place in the south. Okay, so in south, what are the places you're planning to go?
Probably Pondicherry.
Pondicherry, yeah, it's nearby.
Yeah.
And any other southernmost part of India like Kanyakumari?
Madurai.
Madurai.
And I hope Kerala, but I don't know for the flight.
Yeah. Right now floods is going on.
So I don't know.
So how's your experience?
Well, this is the first day in the south, and I think that the south is totally different from the north.
Yeah.
Because in the north there is a lot of traffic, a lot of people. Well, the north probably is more tourists than the south, but I prefer the south because you can have the possibility to walk in a peaceful place.
Okay. What about the climate?
The climate is good. Well, I come from Italy, and in Italy now is 36 degrees. So today the weather is perfect for me.
Okay. So nice meeting you, Daniel.
You too.
Have a nice and wonderful trip.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So now we are walking and we'll be going and visiting a ball. Yes, you heard me correct. It's a ball. Not the ball that you are thinking. This is a different kind of ball. Finally, we have reached the ball. It's too sunny and hot over here in which place? Mahabalipuram. Yeah. So in 5 seconds, I'll be unveiling the ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The ball. You can see that ball. It's not a cricket ball. It's an architectural style ball made of stone.
సంభ్రమభ్రమన్నిలింపనిచ్చరి విలోలవీచి వల్లరి విరాజమానమూర్ధని.
Hi everyone, I hope you liked the Mahabalipuram Travelogue, which was shot entirely using MI-A1. 2 weeks before I purchased my first flagship smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 Ocean Blue 128GB variant. Here is a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. After using this device for 2 weeks, I can say that Samsung has not compromised on anything. It is a good internal hardware, and Samsung is the only top brand which is not following the trend of removing the headphone jack and also bringing in the notch in display. I'll be posting the full review of this phone after using it for 1 month. If you are interested in knowing the specs of this phone, see the video description. Goodbye MIA1 and welcome Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This travelogue video and unboxing was shot entirely on MIA1. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon to get instant notification update.